Honorable Speaker Sir, I rise to move the following resolution. That this legislative assembly reaffirms the importance of special status and constitutional guarantees, which safeguard the identity, culture and rights of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and expresses concern over their unilateral removal. This assembly calls upon the Government of India to initiate dialogue with elected representatives of people of Jammu and Kashmir for restoration of special status, constitutional guarantees, and to work out constitutional mechanism for restoring these provisions. This assembly emphasizes that any process for restoration must safeguard both national unity and the legitimate aspirations of the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
आपने आज यहाँ पे रेजोल्यूशन लाया है, इसको मेरा सारा विधायक दल इसको ऑब्जेक्ट करता है, रिजेक्ट करता है, इस रेजोल्यूशन को अपोज करते हैं।